Guys, just a quick video today on some of the more advanced customization you can do with the Vhedia Head Unit. So the boot logo is something you can actually change on these to anything you like. First, we're going to make sure that the boot logo comes up. So we're going to go Settings, Car Infotainment, and About Device. Tap this gear icon, 8878, hit OK. And then we're going to go into Others, and then scroll down a little bit and you should see logo display right here. Make sure that's set to 1. I think it's usually 0 by default, so just make sure it's 1, and then hit save and reboot in the top right. So let that reboot. And that setting basically also confirms that the boot logo is also going to show up even when your unit is in sleep mode, so that's when it's going to boot a bit quicker. So to turn on sleep mode, it's usually on by default, but it's just in the setting path you've seen me go through here, and it should be at the top here, so that's already on. But yeah, once we've got all those settings on, we want to come over to the computer now. And now that we know what we want the resolution to be, I've looked up a Porsche logo here. You can look up any image at all. It doesn't even need to be a car logo, but just make sure it's the resolution you're looking for. So I've searched up 1280 by 720, and you can see the resolution of an image just in Google. When you hover over it, it'll show on the bottom right. So you can see that's 1280 by 720. Don't worry if it's not exactly that resolution. What you can do is you can download it. So I'll just hit like this, save image as, and I'll go to downloads. And let's say it was the wrong size. What I would do then, you can go into another window and search up imageresizer.com. And then what you can do from here is just upload from your device the logo, just like so. I'll hit open, and in here you'll see a bunch of options on the left, and turn off lock aspect ratio if it's not a direct similarity in the size, and then you can just type in the exact resolution that you need. So in our case 1280 by 720, and then you'll be able to hit export, and then once you're done with that, the option to download it should come up. And then once you've got that downloaded, you just want to plug in a USB into your computer. And so you can see I've got it just there, it's USB drive D. And there's my image here. So I'm just going to drag that into the USB folder. I've also got a Toyota one in there as well. And I'll just hit eject on that now. All right guys, so there's our default boot logo. That's just coming up now, just demonstrating that that's currently working. Gonna let that go, and we'll get in the unit in a second. All right, so now that we're in the unit, the way you want to do this is grab your USB stick and plug it into any of the USB ports that work for data transfer in the unit. So I'll do this one-handed, bear with me. Whoever's editing, cut this part, please. There we go, and we'll just put that USB in there. And you can open on the head unit, the app is File Manager, so it should just be right there. Open that up, and you'll see we've got a couple of USBs plugged in, but if you've only got one plugged in, then you'll just see the one there. And if I scroll down, there's my two images. So I'll just do the Porsche one for now. What you want to do is hold down on the image you're trying to use, hit copy, and then you have this little menu here. Don't touch anything there yet. You just want to go to local and then hit paste. And then that should say copy succeeded. Now, once we've done that, we can go back out to home, settings, car infotainment, scroll down, about device, gear icon, 888, and then boot logo. So we'll tap that there, and then you'll see these are all the default options here. But if we hit the search button, we'll then see our downloaded ones. So I'll tap the Porsche one, the Toyota one's there as well. But any image you downloaded should just be showing here once we've done all these other steps. Short update, hit OK, and then we will back out. And to test it's working, all we need to do is swipe down from the top, swipe again, hit reboot, and let it go. Now we should see our downloaded images coming up, and then after that we'll get the Vhedia logo fairly briefly, and then we should get put out onto the home screen, just like that.